What is going on, YouTube? This is MOTOSARGE signing in for the first time in about 30 days. I am headed into work this morning, so I figured I will bring you guys along with me for the ride, and we will kind of discuss some of the things that I've been thinking about starting up here on the channel moving forward. So let's roll the intro and let's ride on into work today.
Hard work, let me hear. Hard work, turn it up. Hard work, fired up. Hard work, everybody on the plane. Hard work, sit them on down. Hard work.
All right, welcome back, guys. It has been a long time, about 30 plus days. I was on PCS leave. We moved from Alabama to Georgia, and today is the first day I gotta head into work. So threw on the uniform, and luckily, you know, weather is pretty nice this morning where I get to ride in. It's probably gonna thunderstorm this afternoon, but oh well. So I recorded a video back on Father's Day, and unfortunately my GoPro mic just completely shit the bed. It was real spotty. I started trying to kind of edit it anyways and cut out a lot of the mic issues, but at the end of the day I didn't want to roll out that video because it's not what I had in mind, and it started taking way too much time because every video or every clip there was some sort of distortion in the microphone or just cut out all in general. So that was a bummer. It was gonna be the first video of a new series that I want to roll into this channel, which is more about the Lone Warriors and Operation TheraPic and the photo a day challenge. So this new series that I want to start bringing to the channel is where I bring you guys along with me. Weather permitting is going to be from behind the bars of my Dyna, where we go out there and try to find the entire week's worth of my photo a day challenges. So the first one, or the video, was really capturing the photos from the 16th through the 22nd, I believe. I don't have it on me in front of me. I'm gonna throw up a little bit from that ride and then the photos I captured, and then we'll get back to this ride into work.
For freedom to decide, not have to run, not have to hide. I sing for those that have no friends, whom bullies taunt, who want an end. I sing for girls left to roam, for little boys that have no home. I sing for those that have no voice, for better lives who want a choice. For soldiers after war who come back home and now fight more. I sing for those out on the road, for truckers pulling lonely loads. I sing for joy, I sing for love, I sing for guidance from above.
Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those photos. I had fun going out there and doing it, and really the video would have been an extremely good video, I thought, because the content going into it, I kind of expressed what went into each shot when I got to the location, why I wanted to take that picture and that kind of thing. But like I said, microphone didn't work. So what I want to start doing on the channel is running a new series where you will receive a weekly video of my photo a day challenges, where I'm out there trying to capture different perspectives or different looks around this new area of ours, which is Columbus, Georgia. Another video that I want to start doing as well is kind of like an exploring series where I get out there and ride a different road. That one's probably not going to be weekly. It's going to be maybe bi-weekly, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, just depending on my time with work and the family and that. But there's a lot of good back roads out here that I've driven in the van, unfortunately, and not on the bike, and I want to start exploring those roads on the bike. Right now we're headed down US 27 which connects Hamilton, where we live, to Columbus, where I work. So in Hamilton, it's considered Hamilton Road, and then once you start getting into Columbus, it turns to Veterans Parkway, and the scenery changes a lot once you get out of Hamilton and into Columbus. As you can see right here, we're kind of cutting through the woods because Hamilton is out in the sticks. I mean, we have a couple gas stations. If we forgot something from the grocery store, or my wife forgot something for the kids at Target or whatever, we have to hope that the local Dollar General has it, or else it's a 35-40 minute commute into town to get it. But so looking at the map when we first got here, there's a lot of roads that we could ride. US 27 goes up north into Pine Mountain, where Callaway Gardens is at, and I do intend to kind of try to ride up that way a bit, and then even take you guys into Callaway Gardens, because we're members there now, and their roads look really fun to ride too. I mean, the speed limit's going to be kind of boring, but for video content and hopefully microphone issues that I've had recently, going a little slower might help that out. And then also I'm looking at Highway 315, cutting out towards Shiloh, Alabama, and really starting to venture out from there. So that series will just be along with me on the rides. If you guys are watching this video, please comment below and let me know if you want those Explorer videos just to be me riding with some music and limited talking, or if you want me to cover like a random subject as opposed to either motorcycles, work, or family is the three pillars that I was looking at covering when I do those random rides around these back roads. I'm pretty excited about these new videos that I want to start rolling out. It's going to give me something to focus on. It's really going to help me stay relevant with uploading videos. I've had a hard time since I rolled out the channel because of this move, and it's past us now. Like, the house is sold, we're here, we're into this house, we're starting to make this house our own, so really that stress is gone, and I'll get more time, hopefully with the summer now here, to get on the bike and ride and bring you guys along with me like I wanted to when I first started the channel. But you know, life throws you curveballs. You just got to be able to sit back and not buckle under the pressure and keep your eyes on the goal, and that's what I'm going to do with this channel. And luckily we're sitting at roughly about 54 subscribers for the channel, and that's with the 7 videos that I've rolled out, and I haven't figured out this whole YouTube thing just yet, so I'm pretty happy with that, and it hasn't taken too much of my personal time to do it. But one thing that I noticed that I'm having issues with now, and hopefully the GoPro and my mic is picking up the audio on this ride, was with that Father's Day video I rolled. It was really discouraging because, like I said, I thought the content was really good. I mean, I stayed on point. I went to all the locations. I hit 7 days worth of photos and saw some pretty cool spots, as you guys saw back in the video. And then I get home and I start editing it, and I realize everything was cut out, and it really sucked. So today, this is kind of, I'm hoping that the audio is working. This is really just a test, and if it works, I'm going to throw this up on YouTube. But I took some electrical tape and wrapped it around the mic adapter where it meets my Sony ECM mic, because I don't know if the disconnect was happening there or happening right here off of the GoPro. If you guys are motovloggers and you're happening to watch this video and you've watched it all the way to this point, please let me know what you've done, or if you understand the difficulties of this and how I can make this better. Please let me know. I am running a GoPro 4. My son has a Hero 7, so I'm debating on, you know, throwing that up on the helmet and borrowing that from him when I do these rides and do a different mic adapter. But I don't really want to invest in that. They do have some that you don't need that big old block on the side of your helmet that kind of has the mic adapter underneath, so I don't know. I'm running the Marshall mic adapter on this one, and it worked with the first 7 videos, but since rewiring my helmet, the first one I rolled, it was horrible. So again, if you guys know how I could avoid that, please give me a comment down below and help me out. I would greatly appreciate that. So I'm gonna head on into work. It's really just a straight shot up 27 until you get into Columbus for me here. maybe I might end up rolling a video where it takes you from Pine Mountain all the way down 27, but as you can see, this road is pretty straight. Got some local businesses and stuff along the way, which are kind of old, and to me it looks cool. Gives you that small town feel of a little, you know, of a little town where everybody knows everybody, and we're happy to be here. I know my wife, my kids, they're extremely excited to get started in life here. And for me, this has really started day one where I head into work and start doing this new position. If you're out in the Columbus area and you see me riding a bike, or you see me in a store or whatnot, please stop, say hi. Whether I'm in uniform or not, I'll always take the time to talk to you, whether it's in regards to the Army or in regards to my motorcycle or family or whatnot. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm gonna get into work so I'm not late this morning on my first day back. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I hope you're as excited as I am for these 2 new video series that I'm gonna roll out on the channel. So like always, thank you. Don't forget to click that like icon, hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring that bell notification to get email alerts when I upload some new content. This is MOTOSARGE signing out.
Hard work, I earn my pay.